This session identifies two essential components of an educational process and goes on to describe how each affect the student in a traditional school. The first, the cognitive domain, deals with pedagogy, the delivery of knowledge, and the second, the affective domain, focuses on the emotional needs of the learner, the recipient of knowledge. Caring instructors who can effectively implement the curriculum and students who have a positive attitude toward the learning environment are the hallmark of effective learning. As a student, you can do much to enhance the learning environment. Accept the conditions, but be cognizant of what is lacking. Work to your full potential. Try the new mindset approach mentioned earlier in this section. Enjoy the adventure of learning. This approach will add much, not only to your educational experience, but will enhance your life skills. Based on the discussion in this chapter, we now know the importance of acceptance and an open mind. If we give our full attention to learning, the learner and learning blend harmoniously into a unified whole. The learner and the learning become one. They become one and the same. We also know what happens if we resist. We separate the learner from the content of learning. We assume, too, that if our learning is significant, that is, the learning is not just fact-based, but is integrated and affects the overall well-being and behavior of the learner, it will complement the learner's needs.